with the triangles, basic concepts of triangles. I think that you have, again, directly after the angles in your book. If you have your book, you can check.
It's another chapter.
It's
For
another chapter.
triangles.
It's the second chapter.
No, I think the third one. I will see now.
Check it to inform you well where it is.
Yeah, the chapter 3 on page 38 it starts. So we have
Yes.
triangles in a different chapter, in another
Okay.
chapter.
Okay, page 38, you said? Why I'm writing 33?
Teacher, if it disconnects me one more time, I think God tells me to not come to lessons today.
Okay. Now, today we'll start the triangles, and you know the triangles. It's not that hard, but only we will have maybe more properties. Maybe you have what you didn't study till now. But in general, you know triangles. In the general properties, you know. So here, as you see, the definition of triangle. Let A, B, and C be three non-collinear. We know what does mean collinear and non-collinear points in the same plane. The union of the line segments AB, AC, and BC is called a triangle. So this one, as you see, this figure is called the triangle. As you see here, mostly we will show the sides of the triangle. Like if the point A is here, opposite of the point A, the side A will be opposite of point B, the side B will be, and point C, the side C. You know, we call these points vertices. Vertices. One of them is vertex, and the others, the plural form is vertices. And the sides, as you know. Here, let me show like this. These are the sides. So if we have three non-collinear points and the line segments that the points are formed is called, the union of it is called a triangle. We know it, we don't have to write it. Now angles of a triangle. So here, as you see, we have the angle A, angle B, angle C. They are interior angles of the triangle. And these angles, A prime, B prime, C prime, as you see, it's shown here also. They are exterior angles. So we have, let me write like this, angle A, angle B, angle C, interior angles. And angle A prime, angle B prime, angle C prime, they are exterior angles. So as you see here, here is shown the normal triangle, and here the sides are extended, as you see. And when we are extending the sides, we can find the exterior angles. When you will show, for example, you may have different ways to show. Also, as you see here, also this part is P prime. If this one is P prime, also this one is P prime. So if I will continue the side in this way, so this side, this one will be A prime. If I will continue this one, so this side will be B prime. If I will continue the side, and this side will be C prime. Okay, so you may have two different ways to show the exterior angles. Okay, as you see here, it is shown. I think that you have these figures in your book. So we have interior.
Here. Sorry for being late.
How you can be late to the topic that you like most, triangles. Now you will have lots of triangles to solve.
Yes.
Yes. Now here we have intersection of a triangle and line. As you see here, we have a line that intersects the triangle, and it says find the lines or points in each region of the figure. L intersection triangle ABC. Which points are in their intersection? In A, do you understand the question? We have the triangle, we have a line on it, and we are trying to find the intersection of the line and the triangle. So which points, or if you have any line that intersects with the triangle? By the way, here, let me show you also this part. It will be maybe, this region is interior region, and we show interior of triangle ABC. Okay, interior, int ABC, and outside of it, it is exterior of triangle ABC. And the symbol of a triangle is this one. With a small triangle, you will show, you will mean, okay, that this ABC forms a triangle when you will write this small triangle in front of the letters. Now here, what will be the intersection with the triangle ABC here?
PS and RT.
RT is on the triangle.
No, it will be P and S.
Here in A, the intersection with L and the triangle is P and S only. But in B, as you see, it says with the interior region of the triangle. In interior region of the triangle, with L, which part you have?
P and S.
PS, but the line segment PS, yes? This line, PS. The points are on the triangle, okay? You have a triangle, this one, and the points are on it, on the sides. But the line is in interior region, yes? Did you understand the logic of it? How it goes?
Yes,
So
teacher.
here you have the line segment PS in B. In C, what you have?
RT, the line segment.
Yes, RT you have the points RT as points. Or can we say that the rays, do you remember rays we had in the first lesson of geometry? Ray, this one, you have a point, let's say A, or this one.
It will be
Yes,
ray.
it will be close to RT.
So it will be the ray PR, let's say, PR. And how I will show this one, because it is open like this, PR and
ST.
ST. Again, it's open because S is on the triangle in the A, okay? Did you understand? So there is 3 different parts: interior region of the triangle, exterior region of the triangle, and the triangle itself, the sides. Okay? Did you understand the difference of this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Types of triangles. As you see, there are here, it's given 3 types: scale and triangle. Scale and triangle means if all the sides are different, the length of the sides are different. For example, here you have 3, 4, 5. So this kind of triangles are called scale and triangle. If 2 of the sides are same, one of them is different, but 2 of them is same, we call it isosceles triangle. And if all the sides are same, we call it equilateral triangle. So for what will be important to know the names in the question, maybe the figure is not given, but it says that it is isosceles triangle. So you will draw a triangle with the 2 sides that are same, yes? For example, isosceles, what is the properties of isosceles triangle? That these 2 sides that are the same, we call them legs of the isosceles triangle. And the angles, look, we have 2 legs and base, and the base angles here are same in isosceles triangle. And this one is an important property not to forget. So we have 2 sides and 2 angles that are the same in the isosceles triangle. It's clear?
Yes.
You know this, I think. Maybe you
Yes.
know in your native language. I don't know how it's Ramnokrak, I think.
The first one is Ramnostran, the second one is Ramnokrak, and the third one is Ramnostran.
Ramnostran.
In Albanian it is că trecându-și când ndryshëm, then it is că trecându-și barakras, and the other one,
Barakras.
and
Okay.
the last one is trecându-și.
Okay. Okay. And Turkish, is someone here who knows in Turkish? Okay. If you need Turkish, it is one of them is ikizkenar, and the third one is eşkenar.
For the last one we say trecându-și regult.
Reguled. It's reguled. Okay. So
Barabrinhas.
Barabrinhas. Okay, so it means that you understood what does it mean equilateral, what does it mean isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Okay, for the equilateral triangle, the properties here is that all the sides are same, at the same time all the angles are the same. So the angles here are in equilateral triangle 60 degrees. Okay, all of them, they are 60 degrees. I think that you have them in your book. You don't have to write it. If you want, you can write it. Now I will continue to the next one. Alexander, are you here? You're not talking at all.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay. Did you understand what is isosceles
Yes,
equilateral? Okay.
Yes.
So here in this part, we had triangles types defined by sides. According to their sides, we define them. Here we have triangle types defined by angles. So here we have acute triangle. What does mean acute triangle? I think that you know what does mean acute angles.
Yes, teacher, it's really cute.
It's really cute, yes. So if the three of the angles, they are acute angles less than 90 degrees, as you see here, measure of A is less than 90, measure of B is less than 90, and measure of C is less than 90. Look, 50, 55, 75. So we call this kind of triangle acute triangle. And we have right triangle. If one of the angle is 90 degrees, we call it right triangle. And if one of the angle is greater than 90 degrees, as you see here, 125 we call it obtuse triangle. So here we have three different triangles, and how is their names? For example, according to their angles.
First one is acute triangle.
First one is acute triangle.
The second one is the
Obtuse triangle is the second one.
The second one will be obtuse triangle. Why?
Because one of the angles is
More
95.
than 90 degrees.
Yes. Here we have 95 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees. So this one will be obtuse triangle. And the C is
right triangle because it has 90 degrees.
90 degrees, yes. Right triangle. Okay. It's okay. Can I continue? By the way, let me take attendance because in the first lesson I forgot to take it, and then not to have problem. If you're writing, or let me check what we have next. Here there are some examples. While I'm taking the attendance, you can check the questions. Yusuf? Yusuf?
Yes, teacher.
Yusuf, sen sadece benim dersime mi giriyorsun Yusuf? Neredeydin 3. ve 4. ders?
Galiba sadece sizin derse giriyorum.
Sağ olasın, hayredesin. Bu saygı için. Anita?
I am here, teacher.
Okay, great. Alexander?
here.
Okay, Eva? She's not here. Okay, Elsa?
Here.
Okay, Amra?
I'm here.
Okay, Yona?
Here.
Okay, Stephanie?
Here.
Okay. Fatih? Fatih? No? Kibariye?
Here.
Ringa?
Here, teacher.
Ardita?
Here.
Great. Arta?
Here.
Giovanna?
I'm here.
Okay. Vesa?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Stanislav?
You know I'm here, teacher.
Of course. Salman?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Rumeysa?
I'm here.
And Sarah?
I'm here.
Ermal?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Hamza? No. And Besan?
Here.
Here. Okay. So did you check the questions? Name all the triangles in the figure.
Teacher, there are 8 or 9 triangles. I'm not sure.
Okay, let's give chance to someone who is not talking. Who wants to name the triangles here? Amra? Only give the names. For example, I will tell one of them. M N S. Triangle M N S. Yes. Amra, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Okay. Tell me some more triangles. For example, one of them, as I said, is M N S. The other one, what will be?
K,
K,
S, L,
S, L, yes. Then
M, S, L,
M, S, L, yes. We have more.
N, S, K,
N, S, K, yes. Do we have more?
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
Fatih, you are here?
yes.
M,
M and L, teacher.
Fatih, when I was taking attendance, you didn't, and I wrote you absent. Wait to change it. Okay.
And teacher, L, N, K.
Yes.
L, N, K, and one more you said, I think?
M and L.
L, yes.
M, N, L. And do we have more?
KCN. Oh,
ECN we have written, and SK.
KN
E, N,
N.
K,
And
N,
KL.
M,
And K, L.
K, L, M. Okay, so how many triangles we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think. It's
Yes.
okay. Did we forget something? Okay.
This exercise is like in Facebook, teacher. There's also so many triangles there in
Yeah.
the photo.
Yes, the logic questions. Huh? Now in the fourth one, again we have one that like we did. Now let's see if you understood. Here there is a triangle. If you can see it, let me make it bigger. So there is a triangle, as you can see, and a line on it. So what is the intersection, Alexander, with L and the triangle GHK?
Wait, teacher.
I'm
What should
waiting.
I say now?
The intersection with L and the triangle GHK.
Ați acolo на линията и триъгълникът.
Како?
Пресек на линията и триъгълникът.
PN, MQ, teacher.
They are out of the triangle until this part,
Aha,
MQ.
aha. N and M.
The points N and M, they are the intersection with the
Yes.
triangle. What about the intersection with the interior region of the triangle? Which part it is? Here.
Close to M.
The NM, the line segment, yes, the closed part, NM.
Yeah.
And the last part, as you said, Alexander, now we have
P and Q.
NP. Yeah, NP we have
MQ.
And Q.
MQ, and as points,
PQ.
P
P,
and Q. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Arta,
Yes, teacher.
what about here? When we will write in this, can you see these triangles here in seventh one? How we'll name them according to their sides? In A, all of them, they are same. How we call this?
Teacher, I know what it is called in Albania, that triangle.
But now we are studying in English.
Yes, but I cannot remember what we said before.
How is in Albanian?
Which
Teacher, it's Barabarinas because it has all the same.
All the sides are the same. So
Are the
how we say it in English?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. So you can write it in your notebook to not to forget. So this one is equilateral.
Can I, teacher?
What about B? Let's talk with Arta now. Now two sides are same. Or who will help to Arta? Rumeysa?
Teacher, I think there's sequential.
Isosceles?
No.
Isosceles, but always I am forgetting how it's written isosceles. How many S, how many C?
Yes, teacher. So okay.
Isosceles. I think it's like this. I couldn't write. And C, all of them different. Rumeysa?
Teacher, I'm sorry, my electricity went down.
Okay, it's not problem.
I have texted you.
I didn't see.
Scalen, teacher.
Scalen, yes. These names are according to their sides, the length of the sides. What about this one here? Write the type of each triangle according to its angles.
We have to find angle, teacher.
No, the name of how we'll call this triangle according to their angles. We had acute angle, right angle, a triangle, and the...
Can I do the first one, teacher?
Haydi be, Alexander.
Isosceles triangle, teacher.
Are you sure that it is isosceles triangle?
Teacher, the first one is equilateral.
Equilateral.
The first one will be equilateral because they have 260, and the third one also will be 60. But here I am asking this one. Acute triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle.
Okay.
This one will be acute triangle, yes?
Yes.
What about this one in B, Yona?
Scalen.
Teacher, obtuse triangle.
This one will be obtuse. Why? Because we have here 110 degrees.
Yes,
This one
it's
will
bigger
be-
than 90 degrees.
Yes. Obtuse. What about C?
Right triangle,
Right.
because we have
Triangle.
one right angle.
Yes. And here what we'll have, if one of them is 60, one of them is 20, what will be this
obtuse.
one? Also this one will be obtuse. And here,
Acute.
acute it will be, yes. What about here?
Right.
Right.
Also this one will be a right triangle. Did we understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So the names here, why they are important? As I said, to know in the question to understand what it says. If it says scale and triangle, and if you will find that two angles or two sides are the same, it means that you have a mistake. So because a scale and triangle cannot have two same sides, yes? Or if you have, if the question says isosceles triangle, but you are finding all the sides different, so there is a mistake, it means. Oops, we finished here. So these are the first, let's say, the names, the things, the terms, what we use for the triangle. And now we'll have some properties of the triangles. If you will write them or if you will take some notes, it will be better for you, okay?
Teacher, I'm taking a screenshot and after the lesson I will write.
Okay, great. So now we have properties of the angles and sides of a triangle. So here, if you have, we know this one also from the angles that we studied. Look, if the interior angle is A and B and C, so sum of one interior and exterior angle itself will be 180 degrees because they form a straight angle, yes? A plus A prime will be 100, B plus B prime will be 100, C plus C prime will be 180 degrees. I'm saying 180 degrees. One interior and one exterior angle. Their sum will be 180 degrees. We know this one because they form a straight angle. What we have here, so some examples.
Excuse me, teacher. I'm
Yes,
sorry
yes.
to interrupt you. Could you just go back to take a screenshot?
Of course. Sorry. I thought that
Teacher.
you are not taking notes and I continued.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So here, if one interior angle is given and it is asking for the exterior one, Tringa, how will find this? For example, in A. Tringa, are you here? Alexander is very active today, but.
Can I solve the last one, teacher?
Teacher Tringa has problem with her microphone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, who wants one of them says, can I?
Teacher.
Okay, let's do it.
180 minus 65 it will be. It will
Yes.
be 115.
Okay, so you can write like this. Let's say A here. A. We can write like 180 minus 65 directly. So it is, as you said,
115.
115. Or you can say this. It's the same thing, but only how we show it. That x plus 65 is equal to 180. So x will be 180 minus 65, which is 115. Okay. Thank you. And in B, Rumesa, what will do?
110
Yes.
plus 2x.
Yes. Will be?
180.
Yes, 180. Then? 2x
180
will be?
minus 110.
Yes. Then 2x is equal to, what is 180 minus 110?
70.
70. Then x will be?
70 over 2.
Yes.
It will be 35.
Yes, it will be 35. Thank you very much.
No, teacher, so
Hi, Alexander. Alexander wants to see from the beginning of the lesson. Hi.
4x plus 15
Okay.
plus 3x minus 10
3x
is
minus
equal
10.
to 180.
180, okay.
7x plus 5.
Plus
No,
5.
yes. Is equal to
equal to-
180.
Okay.
7x is equal to 175.
Okay.
175 divided by 7
By 7.
is equal to 25.
25. Okay. So we understood?
Yes.
Okay. It's easy. If you have one interior and one exterior, their sum will be 180. Can I continue to the next page, or do we have time, or we finished?
We have 2 minutes left.
2
Yes, it's
minutes
fine.
left. Okay. Let me check what we have on the next page. We have one more question. If you are ready for this, we can solve also that one. I think that
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So here, as you see,
Can I
we
solve
have
this?
one. Okay, Alexander, it's enough. Let's give chance to others also. Thank you for this. I appreciate that you want to solve all the questions, but we have to give also to someone else the chance.
Okay.
So here we have 2 interior angles and 1 exterior angle, and we are looking for x. So if this one is 110, what will be the inner part of it?
170.
70. It will be 70. Why? Because this one is 110. Their sum has to be 180. So as we know the general knowledge about the triangles, that the sum of the interior angles, they are 180 degrees. So here what we'll do, x plus 2x plus 5 plus 70 will be 180. So x and 2x will be 3x plus 75 is 180. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 75, which will be
105.
105,
X is 105 over 3, which is 35.
which is 30. Oops, I'm writing here 35. It's 35. One more time, maybe I had to mention here that measure of angle A plus measure of angle B and plus measure of angle C is 180 always in triangles, okay? The sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees. And here we solve this one and we are finishing our lesson. Thank you for the lesson. See you on Thursday.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
See you.
You.